Hello everyone, myself Sumit. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand about civil service examination which is conducted by UPSC. In this video, we all know about the civil service examination, what are the stages, how many marks does the exam held, and so on. Before starting this video, I will give you the small summary about UPSC, when UPSC established, and when it became Union Public Service Commission. So first, we all know UPSC is a constitutional body which is mentioned in part 14 of Indian Constitution from article 308 to article 323. It is categorized in two chapters, that is chapter 1 for service, article 308 to 14, and chapter 2 is for Public Service Commission. It's all about Public Service Commission, which is mentioned in article 315 to 323. Okay, so let's understand about UPSC and when UPSC established, what was the history of UPSC and so on. UPSC was established in 1st October 1926 by Lee Commission. Okay, when it started, its name was Public Service Commission. Its name was Public Service Commission. Okay, and after that, in 1935, it was renamed as Federal Public Service Commission. 1935 में इसे फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन बनाया गया. एंड आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस, व्हेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन was implemented or enacted, then the Federal Public Service Commission was become UPSC. And at that time UPSC was originally formed. Okay, in 26th of Jan 1950. This is all about UPSC, history of UPSC. And I will tell you one thing. The current chairman of UPSC is Sir Ajay Kumar. He is the current chairperson of UPSC. So let's begin the next chapter, Stages of UPSC. Okay, wait. Stages of UPSC. We all know there are three stages: prelims, mains, and personality interview. Personality interview is all about last stage. ये लास्ट स्टेज का है, तो इसको हम in further video we will discuss about personality interview. Okay, in this video we only focus on prelims and mains. Prelims is 1 day एग्ज़ाम. प्रीलिम्स जो है वो एक दिन का एग्ज़ाम है, एंड द मेंस इज 3 to 4 days एग्ज़ाम. ओके, prelims is all about objective exam, and mains is all about subjective exam. प्रीलिम्स जो होता है वो ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है, एंड मेंस जो होता है वो सब्जेक्टिव होता है. ओके, इन प्रीलिम्स there are two paper. First one is paper 1, which is all about GS, and second one is paper 2, which is all about CSAT. Okay, and in paper 1 is held of 200 marks, and paper 2 is also conducted for 200 marks. In paper 1, there are 100 questions with 200 marks, and the duration is 2 hours. And in paper 2, all about CSAT, there are 80 questions with 200 marks and duration of 2 hours. Okay, in CSAT, each questions is the weightage of 2.5 marks. Okay, and in paper 1, each question is the weightage of 2 marks. There is also a negative marking in preliminary exam, that is 1/3, and the total marks in which the prelims exam conducted 400 marks. टोटल 400 मार्क्स का आपका प्रीलिम्स का एग्ज़ाम होता है, जो 2 पेपर होते हैं, जिसमें जो होता है वो पूरी तरीके से ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट प्रिलिमिनरी एग्ज़ाम, और ये 2 शिफ्ट में होता है. 1 day एग्ज़ाम and conducted in 2 shift. Now let's move to the second stage, which is mains. Mains is all about subjective. मेंस जो है वो पूरे तरीके से सब्जेक्टिव है and it is 3 to 4 days of exam. In mains there are 9 papers total. मेंस में टोटल 9 पेपर होते हैं. 2 पेपर इज लैंग्वेज पेपर, 1 पेपर इज essay, 4 GS paper and 2 optional paper. Language paper is qualifying paper. It is qualifying in nature. It is not a compulsory or mandatory paper in which your merit is going to be found. Language paper is just qualifying paper, and in language paper we only have to score 30% marks, and each paper carries 300 marks. Okay, in language paper 2 paper is held and 1 paper carry 300 marks. It means total 600 marks does language paper carries. Okay, now let's move to essay. Essay is all about your writing skills. It carries 250 marks and there is 4 GS paper in which each paper carries 250 marks, and 2 optional paper that you opted for your exam is carry 250 marks each paper. Okay, now let's move to the next stage. Before going to the next stage, we all understand about the merit formed. How many papers does counted for merit? Only 7 papers is count to form merit, with all about total 700 1750 marks, 1750 marks. Merit is found by 7 papers of mains, exclude qualifying paper. Qualifying paper is only a qualifying in nature. Merit is not formed on this language paper. Okay, 7 papers of mains plus personality interview. So in total, if we add 7 paper of mains, it become 1750 plus personality interview, that is 275, and the grand total is 2025 marks. This marks is the grand total of adding the both seven papers of mains and personality interview, and through this marks your merit is found. Okay, now let's move to the papers of mains examination. We all know 2 paper is qualifying paper in mains, and where we have to secure 30% marks to qualify this paper. It means paper 1 300 marks, paper B 300 marks. Okay, paper A. Paper A is the paper you can choose any language from 8 शेड्यूल ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के 8 शेड्यूल से किसी भी लैंग्वेज को चूज कर सकते हैं और वही आपका पेपर 1 होगा. पेपर 2 इज इंग्लिश. In English, we all know grammar, vocab, and all. The duration of the qualifying paper is 3 hours, and you have to just score 30% marks of this paper. In this paper, paper 1 300 marks, you have to just score 30% marks, and in paper 2 you have to just score 30% marks. Now let's move to GS paper. There are 4 GS paper. There are 4 GS paper. GS1, which carries 250 marks. GS2 is also 250 marks. GS3 is also carry 250 marks, and GS4 250 marks. These 4 papers is very much compulsory, very much important for your UPSC CSE exam. In GS1, there are 20 questions each asked in all GS papers. Okay, 20 questions each asked in the all GS papers. And GS paper 1, it all about the history, the Indian heritage, the culture, history, and geography of world and society. These these are the subjects in GS paper 1 that you have to study. And in GS paper 2, it also carries 250 marks with a total 20 questions. It's all about polity, governance, polity, constitution, social justice, international relations. Okay. In GS paper 3, it also carries 250 marks with total question of 20. And GS paper 3 is all about science and tech, economic development, biodiversity, environment, internal security, disaster management, and all. And in GS paper 4, it also carries 250 marks, 20 questions each. In GS paper 4, it's all about ethics, integrity, aptitude. These are the 4 GS paper, and these are the subjects which is asked in all GS papers and that you have to study in these GS papers. Now let's move to optional subject. Optional subject is all about your choice, your interest. Optional subject has also 2 paper, paper 1 and paper 2. ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट जो आपके इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर है, आपके चॉइस के ऊपर है. आपको जिस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है, जिस सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट है, वो आप ऑप्शनल में चूज़ कर सकते हो. आई विल मेक वीडियोज़ ऑन optional paper, on optional subjects and syllabus. in coming days. Okay, so stay tuned with me. So in optional paper, each paper carries each paper carry 250 marks. Okay, and next and last but not the least, that is essay paper. Essay paper is all about your writing skills. It also carries 250 marks. The total words you have to write in essay is 1200 words. In 1200 words, you have to complete your essay. You have to write essay on any sections, any topics. Okay. I will also make videos on essay on incoming days. मैं थोड़ा ये एक summary, I will give you the small summary about essay. In essay, there are two sections, section A and B. हर एक सेक्शन में 4 टॉपिक होते हैं एंड जो दोनों सेक्शन है जिसमें सेक्शन 1 जो है वो सेक्शन ए is 125 marks and section B is also 125 marks and the total marks is 250, जिसमें हर एक सेक्शन में 4 टॉपिक्स होते हैं एंड आपको हर एक सेक्शन में चारों टॉपिक्स पे हर एक सेक्शन में जो 4 टॉपिक्स होते हैं जिसमें आप किसी भी 2 टॉपिक पे राइट ऑन एनी 2 टॉपिक्स, 1 फ्रॉम ईच सेक्शन. ओके, एक सेक्शन में 4 टॉपिक्स होते हैं जिसमें आप किसी भी एक टॉपिक पे ऐसे लिख सकते हो और सेक्शन बी उसमें भी 4 टॉपिक होते हैं जिसमें आप किसी भी एक टॉपिक पे ऐसे लिख सकते हो. टोटल आपको 2 ऐसे लिखना है, 125 marks each and the total one is 250. So this is all about the stages of UPSC, all about prelims, mains and GS papers, qualifying paper, optional paper, essay paper. That's it from my side. Please do like, share, subscribe for more. बाकी आगे हम लोग मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. हम लोग समझेंगे द सिलेबस ऑफ प्रीलिम्स, syllabus of mains, and in next videos and in further coming videos we all understand about the papers. We all going to break down the syllabus of UPSC